My beautiful, beautiful life on Book Book. You get your ball right here. You get your eye markers. Yeah, that's a big smile. Yes. You got a big, big smile. Oh man, you get your other eye, okay? You know, baby boy. My clothes are done. I gotta go get them. Love you, big boy. Love you, big boy. I know. Just sweetheart. Sweetest soul I've ever met, Book Book. The sweetest thing I've ever met, baby. Keep your ball close. You fell asleep with your ball. If anybody comes in, your ball's right there and ready for you. Yes. Big boy. Love you, Zusi. Love you, big boy. Big boy. Stretch. Little purr. Little boy. You're so handsome, little boy. Little boy. Such a sweetheart. You know. Okay, I'll let you sleep. Let the hell boy sleep, okay? Love you, big boy. Love you. Yes. His face. Cute. Cute wrinkly face. Love you, purr. Love you, purr. And big Zusi, huh? My little boy. You know, little man. You're so tired. You tired too, Miss Your Bugs? Daddy keeping you awake? Mm-hmm. Oh, that was a big one. Love you, baby. Get some sleep, okay? Big old grin. And look like a big old happy face. Oh, happy boys. Spoiled babies. Alright. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe below. We have our membership up. If you guys want to check out our membership, please check out on our main page or the join now. Oh, I'm sorry, Purr. Let you guys go to bed, okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, little boy. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching. Big happy face.